Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I'm really excited because we're going to be vlogging. It's actually a really gloomy day outside and it's making me a little sad, but we have some fun plans for today. I tried doing a week in my life last week and it just came out to be a fail because I was not feeling good the whole week and weird things kept happening to me. But as you guys can see, I'm breaking out a ton right now. I don't know why. Why is my life like this? Why do I always break out? But I got some really cute skincare products that I really want to show you guys from this company that sent it to me. This isn't a paid sponsorship. They just sent it to me and I'm really excited. So let me just show you guys what that looks like. So I'm in my bathroom now and I wanted to show you guys the products. So this is from Peace Out Skincare. And they sent me their blemish balm and their acne serum along with their little acne healing dots. Look at how cute this packaging is. Like, hello, I'm obsessed. This is so adorable. So this is supposed to fight acne, and you guys can see I have a lot of that. So what I'm gonna do is take some water. And it says to take a dime size of this. I've already used it once. I was too excited. So I'm just going to take a dime size and apply this all over my face. And it feels a little bit exfoliating, but nothing super harsh because I know like harsh exfoliators are not like super great for you. It's just a little teeny bit exfoliating. So I'm just rubbing that all over my skin, and it feels really nice. It doesn't really have a fragrance, which is nice because we all know how bad fragrance is for your skin. I've been breaking out a lot like around my chin in my mouth area, and it's not like I've been going anywhere, so it's not like I've been wearing a mask for a really long time. I mean, I do wear a mask when I go out, but I haven't gone out anywhere like for that long, if that makes sense. I'm out for like 20 minutes and then I come back home. So now that that's all rubbed in, I'm just gonna rinse it off. So now that I've rinsed that off, I'm gonna take the Peace Out Acne Serum. You guys, my allergies lately have been so insane. It comes with a little dropper, by the way, so I just put a little bit in here. But my allergies have been acting up like crazy because every time like the weather changes, it goes crazy. And I'm just applying this on my skin. I'm not really doing it near my eyes. I don't think this serum is good to put around your eyes. This is 2% salicylic acid with niacinamide and zinc. I love their packaging though. I'm just into it. Okay. And then it says to apply your favorite moisturizer SPF in the morning. So I take my CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Sunscreen SPF 30. And I'm just going to take this and rub it into my skin and down my neck. Okay. And that is my morning skincare for the day. I don't know if I want to put one of these on. Okay, so I do think I'm going to apply one of these just so that I don't have to put makeup on it. And this is like skin color, so it will be nice. I'm not going to go too close and personal with you guys because that's not cute. But I just applied it here and I really like it because it kind of covers it a little bit and you don't have to put makeup on it. So I like to apply it there, and you just let it sit for about 6 hours or overnight or the whole day. So that is what I'm applying onto my skin. And yeah, I am a real human with a real, acne skin and breakouts. It's normal. It's totally fine. Stresses me out a teeny bit, but we're going through it. We're working through it. Okay, so that is pretty much it. You guys, I just finished class. I'm so excited because it's Friday and it's gonna be a fun weekend, or a chill weekend. I changed, I got ready. I also got this fake nose ring right here, if you guys can see. It's fake. I just wanted to see what I would look like. I also still have my acne spot like thing on here, but we're gonna go shopping because I need to find something to organize my perfumes because it's getting out of control. And I also need to get Johnny's mom a Mother's Day gift, and then I have a package to pick up at the mailing room. So we're gonna go do all that, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'll probably vlog on my phone though, just because I don't feel like bringing my camera. But before that, why don't we go ahead and pick our scent of the day. I think I want to go with Warm and Cozy because I'm feeling warm and cozy today. And I'm just going to spray this all over you guys. I literally go ham on the body spray. I love this scent. I think I do want to pair it with a perfume. I think I'm going to do Ariana Grande Cloud. I don't know if they go together, but we're going to see, okay? So I'm just going to spray some of this on my wrists. This perfume is really long lasting, so you don't got to worry about it fading away super quick. And I love that it comes in here. Just went in my mouth. But now we're going to go, and I will talk to you guys when I get there. I'm at Target and don't know what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a Mother's Day gift for Johnny's mom, like I said. I think I want to get her some cute PJs here, but I'm in like the lotion aisle and I'm into it. But yeah. Okay, so I'm back home. Do you guys want to see what I got at Target? So I actually got a good amount of stuff. Actually, let's do Marshalls first. So from Marshalls, I picked up a couple of things. I'm making his mom like a little Mother's Day basket. So I got this cute little basket. It was only $10. And to put inside of it, I got some cute pajamas from Target. These are my favorite pajamas. They're so soft and comfy. So I'm going to put that in there cutely. And I also got her, like you guys saw, the Beloved line. So I got the grapefruit and red ginger. It came with the whipped body scrub, body cream. Yeah, body cream. And then a little body wash. Yeah, bath gel. And I thought they went cute with like the print of the pajamas. I thought it was perfect for summer. And then I got her this cute little candle. It's Citrus Sunset Tangerine Goji Berry. Let's see. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, so yeah, that's what I got for her. I guess I will do that after. And then let me just show you guys what I got for myself. I know. So I got this satin pillowcase from Marshalls. It was only like $7. So I was like, I'll just try it out. And then I also got this little like facial cleansing brush. It was $5. And then at Target, I didn't get too much. I got another Real Techniques Miracle Powder Sponge because I need a new one. Mine is so gross. I have a Real Techniques little makeup sponge because mine, I like to change them out as often as I can because you guys know I struggle with acne. That's like my personality trait now. And then I got some candy for myself and some lashes. Yeah, these are by Kiss. And then I also got an Amazon package, but I'm going to show that in my TikTok, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done with my TikTok. Let me just show you guys how I'm gonna decorate her basket though, really quick. Okay, so this is kind of how it turned out. I'm not feeling it. I feel like I gotta play with it a little more. It just looks a little more empty than I would like it to. But I think the pajamas just look so cute with the bath products. So that is my Mother's Day gift. I will fix it later. So it's a little while later and I'm going to share with you guys the package that I got. So I got a package from Boutique Lovin'. They are sold on Amazon and I'm wearing one of their necklaces. It just looks like a little padlock. I think it's so cute. I've been wanting a necklace with like a lock on it. Also, don't mind my pimple patch. But I also got this necklace. It just has this cute little like medallion on it. And let me put this here. I got the same necklace that I have on, but in silver, because sometimes I love silver jewelry and sometimes I like gold. I don't know if you guys can see that very good. That's what it looks like. Looks so cute. I love it. And then they also sent me some of their gold hoops. You guys know I love my gold hoops. So they sent me this size, and then I have another pair that are a little bit smaller. So when I'm feeling a little more on the casual day, I can wear the smaller one. So this is what this looks like. And the box is so cute. It just says Boutique Levin. So yeah, that is everything that I received. And I should probably film a video, but I think I'll do that tomorrow. I've been just really lazy filming. I did pre-record a few of my videos, so I'm like, it's not necessarily like I'm not being consistent. It's more so just like I've been really busy with school lately, so I haven't been able to do that. Of course, I gotta reapply my body mist. Someone said that Warm and Cozy lasted a really long time on them. For me, I don't think it lasts too long, to be honest. I would say like 2 or 3 hours. Let me know how long this one lasts for you guys. I love the packaging though, and I love the scent. I also picked up some new vitamins. I haven't really ever taken vitamins my entire life, but I thought I should. So I'm just going to show you guys the ones that I bought. So I got Energy B12 because sometimes I find myself feeling very sluggish. So I was like, I'll just get the Energy one. Don't know if I really feel a difference, but that's okay. I also got vitamin C because I feel like I don't get enough vitamin C. And then Triple Immune Power with elderberry. And this is good for your prebiotic, vitamin D, and zinc. They taste good. I love the taste of vitamins. The chewy ones are amazing. So those are the 3 vitamins I recently picked up. I think I want to get a Starbucks soon. Kind of want a coffee, but it's kind of getting late. So I'm like, should I even get a coffee? I've been really obsessed with my gummy bear drink, but that is all I'm doing right now. But I will keep you guys updated. So don't mind my messy laundry. Let me turn this ring light down. It's a little too bright. So I'm going to pick out my hygiene products of the day. I need to switch out some of my stuff from my shower caddy because it's been in there for a while and I want to use different stuff. So I think today I'm going to use... So I think today I want to go for like a pink vibe. So I'm going to use my OGX Rose Water and Pink Sea Salt Scrub and Wash. And then for body wash or body lotion, I'll take my Velvet Petals La Creme. That's a cute pink color. And for body mist, we'll just go with Velvet Petals, the regular one. I'm not going to exfoliate today because I exfoliated yesterday and I don't want to do it too often. But yeah, those are what I'm going to use. Also, update on the Mother's Day basket. I'm not a fan of the way it's looking. It's looking a little sad. I think what I need to do is go to Dollar Tree or like Target again and get some tissue paper or something to make it look a little cuter because right now it looks a little sad. I mean, I know she'll like it, but just want the presentation to look cute. It's all about the presentation, y'all. So that is what I got her. I recently ordered this necklace from Amazon. It's a dupe for the Vivienne Westwood necklace, and if you guys don't know, the Vivienne Westwood necklace is like $100 something. This one came in a Vivienne Westwood box, but it was only like $19 or $20. Look at how cute it is. But the only thing is that it's supposed to be like a choker, so it's supposed to be like tight or a little tight. But I got a big neck, you guys. I got a thick neck for some reason. So I have these little necklace extenders. So it extends it a little more so it actually fits my neck and I can make it looser. But I didn't think it really went well with the outfit that I'm wearing today or the other jewelry pieces. Let me just show you guys my jewelry pieces that I'm wearing. Look at how cute this is. I have this cross necklace from Lovisa. And then I just got this new lock necklace from Amazon. A company reached out and actually did send it to me, so yeah, I think it looks really cute. Here's an update on my satin pillow. It's so beautiful. I couldn't get the creases out of it, but it feels so nice and it literally looks so cute on my bed. I'm obsessed. Alrighty, you guys, so that is the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me. I feel like I do the same things in all my vlogs. I go to Target and show you guys what I get, but that's really all I do during my days. I don't do too much, but now that I'm done with all my assignments and it's the weekend, I'm gonna party, and by party, I mean I'm going to sleep in and film more videos for you guys. I'm not actually partying. No worries, okay? I'm safe and I'm responsible. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!